Hey everyone, Chef Jon Liddell down at the Monogram Design Center. And what is induction? I've been working on this for 20 plus years, and over that time, it has really built up a large place in my chef heart for the performance factor, the evenness of cooking, and the speed. The way it works is there's generators below the surface here, and they emit a magnetic coil that hovers about 1 inch above the cooktop surface, and it's looking for ferrous metals or iron content to kind of send that current directly through the glass into the pan, creating the heat in the pan only. And not only is it created in the pan only, it's created evenly, because that magnetic field is even and true, and so is the ferrous metals folded into the pan. Every square inch gets hot at the same time. That way, when I drop my chicken breast in there, it's exposed to even heat across the whole chicken breast. That way, when I overload the pan and it drops the pan temperature, that's where the speed of induction comes in to power through that temperature drop and get us back to a correct cooking temperature right away. The technology behind induction has taken a while to grab us chefs, but we're really on board with it, and it's become the preferred method for us to cook with, not only because of the speed of preheating, the speed or the evenness of cooking, but definitely the cleanability. Because the surface never is asked to get hot, things do not burn onto this, giving me a longer lasting product visually, as well as an easy exit out of the kitchen anytime I need to jump out. It's simple to wipe down my mess, and you wouldn't have even known I was here after about 20 seconds of cleaning.